without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now, what is loop? Loop is used to execute a group of instructions repeatedly until certain conditions are fulfilled. There are two types of loop: entry control loop and exit control loop. Entry control loops are written at the beginning and exit control loops are written at the end. Entry control loop are further varied in two parts: for loop and while loop. For loop. For loop is the counting loop, which means for loop repeats until a certain number of times. Whereas while loop is a conditional loop, which means repeat until certain things happen. I am opening ideally in script mode by pressing Ctrl Shift N. Let's take a program of for loop for a variable a in sequence 1, 4 and 7. Then remember that you have to put a colon here, and now I am giving a command print a, and second command print a multiplied by a. Before execution of this process, let us discuss about it. In this program of for loop means counting loop. As we have discussed before, counting loop means that the loop will repeat a certain number of times. In this program, there are total 3 numbers in this sequence, which is 1, 4 and 7. There are 3 numbers. So if we are taking the command 1 print a, then there will be 3 outputs, which is 1, 4 and 7. But we have given 2 commands. First is print a and the second is print a multiply by a. So in this program, the output will be 6. Let's see what will be the output. First, save this program as Geek. Let me save. Now I am gonna run this program. As I told you, there will be 6 outputs. Let us see. For a in this sequence 147, first command is print a. So the output is 1. And the second command is print a into a, which means 1 into 1, which is 1. And in the second case, now the loop will repeat, as for loop is a counting loop, and counting loop means it repeats a number of times. So in this program, a will return at a. Now the value of a will be 4. Then print a 4, and then second command print a into a, which means 4 into 4 is 16. Now taking an example of while loop, let's take a variable a is equals to 5 and taking while a is greater than 0. Always remember to put colon here, and then print hello y, and a is equals to a minus 3. Then print a over, and print key coders. Now before executing this program, let us discuss about it. Here we have taken a variable a and assigned the value 5. In while loop, we have already discussed while loops are the conditional loops. It means the loop will repeat until the certain things happen. In this statement, while a is greater than 0, in this statement, if a is greater than 0, if the statement results came true, then only the loop will go forward. If the statement is false, the loop ends here. Now let's save and execute this program. Saving this program as Geek coders. Now I am executing this program. Here the output is, the first command is print hello a, which is hello, and we have assigned by values 5, and then a is equal to a minus 3, which is hello 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, then print loop over and Geek coders. Friends, we have done for today. Stay tuned with us by pressing the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of our videos. Do like and share and comment if you have any doubt. You can also follow us on Insta. The link will be given in the description box. Thank you.